Well, we just got the Kingfisher in on the chosen post they've put in for a Kingfisher to land on here at Langford Lakes. Quick flip you around, show you what I mean. Yeah, so yeah, we've currently got the 600mm trained in on that Kingfisher. Just about to dive off, I should think. And yeah, it's the first time we've caught it in that spot. So yeah, just a little interlude. Beautiful in the pouring rain. It's amazing. Amazing what turns up. Anyway, I better put you down a minute and get a few stills for you as well. Okay, a male Kingfisher. Absolutely superb. Very close. So yeah, nice.